Hey everyone, it's Jean here. Welcome back to Pattern Studio 101. No pattern making tutorial today. I just wanted to take a moment to celebrate something special. It's been 4 years since I started this channel. So it's the 4th anniversary. Woo! Can you believe it? I uploaded my very first video back in May 2021 with one simple goal: to share what I love, pattern making, with other designers, students, or really anyone in the fashion industry. And since then, I've uploaded a new video every single week, rain or shine, even on the busiest days. So now there are over 200 videos on the channel. Whether you've been here from day one or just found this channel recently, I want to say thank you so much. Your support, your likes, your comments, and your questions, they've truly meant the world to me. All the love and encouragement I get from you guys has inspired me to keep going. I won't lie, this journey hasn't always been easy, but it's been incredibly rewarding. And I've learned a lot from you. I hope you've learned from me as well. Pattern making feels like second nature to me. Sure, I studied it in school and picked up a lot from work and books. But really, my journey started when I was a teenager, and I just had so much fun with it. I feel lucky that I get to do what I love every day. Now, I want to say sorry if you haven't gotten answers from me to your questions. I really do my best with the time I have, but I just can't reply to all of your questions. Sometimes people ask me about certain patterns, and I know I've already made a video on it, but I just don't always have time to go back, find the link, and send it. So I end up saying something like, I have a video on that, please check it out. Right now, I'm managing pattern and fitting work for 2 companies, teaching students online, and making YouTube videos like this one. And honestly, filming and video editing is not exactly my superpower, so it takes a lot of time and energy. So thank you for being patient with me, and thank you for your generosity and understanding. Okay, let's talk about what I want to do in the future with my channel. Some of you have asked for tutorials on wedding dresses, evening gowns, workout clothes, or children's wear. I do want to cover all of those topics someday, but it's not going to be in the very near future. For now, I'm mainly focusing on men's and women's garments using woven fabric, pattern making, and pattern adjustment. And I'll keep talking about gradings, consumptions, markers, and digital pattern makings, because I believe those are also very important skills for pattern makers. And I don't think my videos are too long, but I'm planning to make them even shorter, like 5-minute videos that are straight to the point, short, simple, and easy. I believe it's better not only for you, but also for me. One more thing. I asked you guys if you use centimeters or inches for drafting patterns. And I found that more people use centimeters. I use both, but I usually explain in inches because I'm in Canada and people in North America use inches. But since most of my subscribers use centimeters, I'm going to start using centimeters too. Maybe not right away, but soon. If there are any specific designs or details you'd like to see, you can always let me know in the comments. I'll make videos for you. Thanks again for being part of this amazing Pattern Studio 101 community. Here's to more patterns, to more projects, and more years of learning together. Let's keep creating, one stitch at a time. Have an amazing week. See you in the next video. Hey, I want you to know that I have a masterclass that teaches you about pant balance. I show you how to draft the pants base frame and how to fix the pants balance if you're working on existing pants patterns. A lot of fitting issues with pants can be resolved simply by examining the pants balance. Head over to my website patternstudio101.com and watch that masterclass.